A wormhole is a hypothetical concept in physics that suggests the existence of a shortcut through space-time, which could allow for faster-than-light travel and potentially time travel. According to the theory of general relativity, space-time can be bent by massive objects, such as stars and planets. A wormhole would be a shortcut through this bent space-time that connects two distant points in the universe. It's often represented as a tunnel or a bridge that connects 2 points in space-time. Wormholes have not yet been observed or detected directly, but they have been predicted by the equations of general relativity. Scientists believe that if they exist, they would be incredibly small and unstable. They would require enormous amounts of negative energy or exotic matter to keep them open, and we don't yet have the technology to generate or manipulate these types of energy or matter. The idea of wormholes has captured the imagination of science fiction writers and readers for decades, and they continue to be a popular subject in books, movies, and TV shows. However, the scientific community still considers them to be purely theoretical and requires further evidence and research to confirm their existence. Wormholes have been theorized to potentially allow for time travel, but the practicalities of using a wormhole for time travel are still highly speculative and not fully understood. One theory suggests that if a wormhole were to exist and stay stable long enough, it might be possible to use it to travel back in time. This would require one end of the wormhole to be moving at a high velocity relative to the other end, as time dilation effects would then come into play, potentially allowing for time travel. Another theory suggests that a wormhole could be used to create a closed time-like curve, which would allow an object to travel back in time along a looped trajectory. However, this concept is highly speculative and involves the use of negative energy or exotic matter, which have not yet been observed or produced. It's important to note that the concept of time travel itself is still highly speculative, and there are many paradoxes and logical inconsistencies associated with it. While wormholes remain a topic of scientific research and speculation, it is currently unknown whether they could ever be harnessed for practical time travel.